Hey there. Struggling with an unstable or non-existent internet connection can be frustrating, especially when it involves your Orbi router. But no worries, because today I'm here to explain how to fix checking internet connection on Orbi router. Whether you're experiencing Wi-Fi drops or no internet at all, follow these steps to get your network back on track efficiently. Step 1. Reboot your Orbi router and modem. The first step in addressing connection issues is rebooting your devices. Unplug your Orbi router and modem from the power outlet. Wait about 30 seconds to ensure they fully power down, then plug them back in, starting with the modem. Wait until the modem is completely rebooted before reconnecting the router. This process can often resolve temporary glitches affecting connectivity. Step 2. Check cable connection. Ensure that all cables are securely connected. The Ethernet cable connecting your modem to the Orbi router should be tightly inserted into the appropriate ports. Loose or damaged cables can disrupt your internet connection, so inspect for any frays or damage and replace if necessary. Step 3. Verify internet service. Sometimes the problem lies not with your Orbi router, but with your service provider. Check if there's an outage in your area by visiting the provider's website or calling their customer service. If there's an ongoing issue on their end, you might have to wait until it's resolved. Step 4. Update your Orbi firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity problems. Log into your Orbi router's web interface by entering the IP address in a web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the firmware update section and check for available updates. If an update is available, follow the instructions to install it. Make sure not to interrupt the process, as this may cause further issues. Step 5. Change Wi-Fi channels. If you're experiencing interference, changing your Wi-Fi channel might help. Access your Orbi settings and navigate to the wireless settings section. Select a different channel, preferably one less congested, to minimize interference from nearby networks. The 5 GHz band generally offers less interference compared to 2.4 GHz, but has a shorter range. Step 6. Reset your Orbi router. As a last resort, consider resetting your Orbi router to its factory default settings. This can resolve deeply rooted configuration issues, but will erase any personalized settings. Locate the reset button on your router, press and hold it for about 10 seconds, and wait for the device to reboot. Reconfigure your network settings as needed. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of fixing any internet connection issues with your Orbi router. Remember to start with simple solutions like rebooting your devices and checking cable connections before moving on to more technical fixes like firmware updates or factory resets. If problems persist, consider contacting Netgear support for further assistance. With these tips on how to fix checking internet connection on Orbi router, you're equipped to tackle network issues and ensure a smoother online experience. Stay connected and enjoy your seamless internet experience.